Oh, welcome back to new video. Look at that, friends. Wow, lot of car. Wow, all car is different. Wow. See, wow. Police car, ambulance. Wow, city bus. So let's see one by one. Police car. Friends, look at that. This is police car.
Hey, man!
Hey! Help me!
Okay. Wow. This is ambulance. Wow, friends. This is fire service car. Red color. Wow. Mr. Car. Oh. Wow, look at that. This truck crane.
Transformation! Yeah!
Lot of car. Wow. This is double-decker bus. Oh, look at that in front. Okay, let's see next one is dump truck. Wow.
Dump truck. Are you ready? Okay. Nice!
Wow, friends. Helicopter. Wow, it's blue color. Wow. Recycle car. It's a red color. Oh, wow, makes a truck. Oh. Nice. Wow, friends, this is fire service truck. Lot of car, friends. Wow, truck excavator. Wow, friends, city bus. Wow, it's too much big. dump truck. Okay. Wow, McQueen.
We need to loosen those ancient joints. First, the wheels. And forward, and rest. And forward, and rest. Join me, rest.
Oh, red color. Friends, this is. Look at that tanker.
And prioritize the safety of the crew. It is equipped with composite armor and advanced protection, communication, and intelligence systems. It has a range of 450 kilometers and can cross areas with water.
Wow. Awesome. Oh no. City bus. Oh. City bus. Wow. Water car. Oh, lot of car. Wow, last one is luxury bus. Wow. Red and white. And all is finished. Thank you friend for watching. Please subscribe.